sense any negativity coming my way, I'm going to push it away with a knot today. I have a 3x3 novelty Lego cube here. I'm going to mix it up, scramble it, and then solve it super slow. So it'll be a little like a tutorial. I'll put the algorithms on the screen so you'll be able to follow along. It's really nice texture to hold in your hands too. Okay. Let's start by looking for the white centerpiece. And I'm going to make a white cross. On the bottom I can see this white blue piece, so I'm going to turn it around till it lines up with the blue and then spin that around. There's my first part of the white cross. This white green piece here, I'm going to turn it to there so it lines up with the green. Spin it around. White and orange is on the bottom. I'm just going to rotate this way and then up. And now it's positioned the way I want. I can put it up to the top and put my green and white one back. 3 out of the 4 cross pieces are done. The other one's moved into the bottom layer, which is great. I'll turn it around till it lines up with red. Spin it to the top, and now I have my white cross. White and green, white and orange, white and blue, white and red. I like to now spin that to the bottom and complete this middle layer. This is like a beginner method or a variation of the beginner method. I'm looking at the top for edge pieces that don't have yellow, green and orange. Spin that around. Green and orange. I place it down like so, and that messes up my cross, so I just fix up my white cross. And the green and orange piece is in. Looking in the top, there's a red and green piece, so I'm going to turn that around to the red lines up with the red. Drop it in. It messed up my cross, so let's fix my white cross. And the red and green piece is in. There's a blue and red piece. Turn it like so, and then fix my cross. Should be one to go. Orange and blue. Place it. Fix my cross. Put it back. Now the middle layer, you can see, is all complete, and I still have my white cross. Now I want to put the white corners in. There's a white corner in here, but it's in the wrong spot, so I'll have to move that in a minute. Okay, up the top there's a white, orange, blue. I'm going to move it above where it needs to go. Now, the algorithm you used is determined by where the white piece is. The white piece here is on the right, so I have this algorithm. I'll do it nice and slow. And the white, orange, blue piece goes in. There's a white, green, orange piece here. Place it above where it needs to go. Once again, the white slice is on the right. Same move. Nice and slow. this time the white piece is on the left, so it's a similar move, basically opposite of what I just did before. And in it goes. So now this last corner, got to get it out. I'll just do an algorithm to get it out. Okay. I place it above where it needs to go. This time the white slice is on top. Different algorithm. Okay, and all done on the bottom and the middle layers. Just the top layer to go. Have to make a yellow cross. I have this L shape, so there's an algorithm to do now. Which gives me the yellow cross. Now there is an algorithm I could do straight away from this shape to make the top all yellow. Just can't remember what it is currently, so I'm going to do a different one until I get the fish shape. I like the fish shape. Okay, that's the fish shape. It's like a cross with one corner. Now, if this green piece here was yellow, I'd keep it in this orientation. But because it's not, I turn it so the corner piece I have is in the yellow corner piece in the top left, and then there's a different algorithm. And everything's now yellow on top. I'm now looking for corners. They don't match, they don't match, they don't match, they don't match. None of my corners match, so I'm going to do an algorithm twice, but it's a long one. I'll do it nice and slowly. Now I know I'm not holding a cube the way you speed. You hold it. But as I said before, I'm not a speed user. Okay, that gives me two corners correct. I'm going to put those to the back and repeat that move. And now my corner pieces are all done. Just the edge pieces to move. Now the green and blue need to swap, and the red and orange need to swap. So there is a move for that. Just remembering what it is. Okay, let's try one and see if it works. I've got to move this middle slightly.